Creating a new customer in PestaRoo. Let's start at home page and say we need to put in a new customer. In every case, the first rule is to check to make sure that the customer is not already in your database. Let's assume that you've already made that check. And so let's go right in to make a new one. Go to the button bar where you can see a plus button. One click and you're creating a new customer. Also notice that there's no labels on the fields, but yet if you hold your mouse still, it tells you what the label is. And you'll find out that it's actually very easy to not have the labels in front of you. So let's put in Fred Walker, and in each case, I'm only pressing the tab key. Now I'll be in the first address. So let's make an address of, say, 458 Waterway Drive. Next tab takes us to the address to maybe an apartment number. Then one more tab puts you in the zip code. Let's take a zip code, type it in, and when you press tab, notice it automatically put in the zip code, the city and the state. That's because PestaRoo has all 68,000 zip codes in the United States. Now also notice that the tab immediately took you down to the contacts where you would put in the phone number. So let's put in a home phone. Just make up a phone number really quick and press tab. Whoops, the number turned red. So that means I must not have typed enough digits. So let's put in two more and again try the tab. Now it turns black, meaning that it is a valid phone number. Now also, you should have noticed, and let's put in another one, that as you put in the number, PestaRoo will automatically format it for you. And again, I didn't get enough digits, so I'll add one more. So phone numbers are so easy in PestaRoo to put in. Let's put in an email now. There's an easy address, and when you click out of that field, notice that it immediately turns blue and is a true hyperlink. So if I were to click on that, it will open up my email application and start an email addressed to that. So it's a very fast way to reach out to your customers. Now, one more critical thing with every customer you put in, and that is to create a location where you will apply treatments. Now, normally that's going to be a match of the customer. So all we have to do is create matching. But if we wanted to put a new one in, because perhaps they have a rental property, we could click here and quickly type in a different address, South Waterway, and we'll even put it at the same 67501, and we're done. And lastly, we can go back to the customer with the blue jump to triangle and see both of our addresses, both locations, see the two right there, and see that we have three contact details, and there's the customer. Now, let's do one more thing while we're here. What if Fred is married to, say, Alice? So we can type in Alice's name too. So Fred and Alice Walker. And what if Alice actually kept her own name? So you would put that in parentheses in the last name, and so it's Fred Walker and Alice Smith. Thanks for watching another PestaRoo training video. To learn more about using PestaRoo, go to PestaRoo.com.